Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to record video on Instagram with music, right? Without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to record video on Instagram with music, what you need to do is just simply open up your Instagram, right? And once you open it, here you are in your Instagram homepage. Simply swipe to the left, and once you're here in your camera page, all you gotta do is record a video. Now I want to record a video now because I'm screen recording, so I'll just simply take a photo. Now once you record a video, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the options on the top of the screen that has a smiley icon on it. Simply tap on that, and here on tapping that you'll have an option that says music. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the music, and now either you can search on the search bar or simply scroll down and select the music that you want, and on tapping that you'll able to select the lyrics as well. And once you're done with that all the process, all you gotta do now is just simply tap on your story, and once you hit your story, your music will be added to your video. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.